All right, guys, we're back for day 2 of Summernats USA here in Bradenton, Florida at the Freedom Factory. Yesterday didn't really go as we wanted it to. Trans started slipping a little bit as we pulled into the Freedom Factory, so we just let it cool down until it was time to go. Started the run in second gear, tried to shift to third in the tip-in lane, and it never shifted to third, so we just put it on the limiter and let it eat. It held second gear the whole 2 minutes, drove itself back to the pits. We shut it off, let it cool off. We fired it up last night, pulled it up. We dropped the canopy down and went to the Airbnb and got some rest. So today we're back. We're going to swap over a fresh set of tires. We are going to take it over to Skid Row and do a little test run through Skid Row. Really need to do another oil change on this thing. We found to get your engine to live doing stuff like we're doing out here, you know, on the limiter for 2 minutes straight. One of the main things is keeping it cool, but the other thing is you want to keep fresh oil in that thing. So we try to change the oil after every run. Yeah, it makes the cost of each run a little more expensive, but at the end of the day, it can save you an engine. So, you know, that's a big deal. But we're going to go ahead and get the rear tire swapped over on this thing, probably get the oil changed. Skid Row opens up and the cruise route opens up in about an hour. So we're going to try to have this thing ready, and then we're going to go hit the cruise route, get you guys some videos of that, and run this thing down Skid Row. Guys, we're back for day 3, the final day of Summernats USA here at the Freedom Factory in Bradenton, Florida. We just did an oil change at Panda. We're getting ready to go on the pad. Jason ran down, he said the pad does look pretty dry, so we got that going for us today. We're gonna try to pop some tires, get in qualifying. We'll see what happens. Yesterday when we went around and cruised around and did Skid Row, I slipped it in neutral and went to grab the 2-step and realized that it did not engage neutral. So that had me wondering if the transit's even hurt, or if the shift cable stretched and wasn't allowing it to actually engage into gear when I manually shifted up into third. So I went back and watched the footage of my helmet, and it never even tried to shift to third. We come back to the pits yesterday, we adjusted the shift cable, we got it engaging every gear again. So fingers crossed the trans isn't even hurt. We're thinking maybe it was just hanging up, and hell, if you hit a bump or come up on an incline or something, you know, parts move around a little bit. So we're really hoping that it'll hold gear, do what it's supposed to do, shift out. We're gonna try to hit the tip in as hard as we can, swing this thing around, pop some tires, and have some fun today. So let's enjoy the last day of Summernats USA before we have to go back to normal life in Arkansas. right, guys, day 3 of Summernats USA is a wrap. We made it around to Skid Row earlier and lost our alternator. Battery voltage dropped all the way to 8 volts. The truck didn't want to run. We threw the jump pack on it, boosted it off, ran it down Skid Row anyway. Died again before we ever made it back to the pits, so we just brought it back and parked it. So we didn't get to do our last exhibition run of the day, of the weekend, due to a charging system issue. But we'll get that figured out when we get back to the shop. Sometime before, I think our next event is Angel Run. So if it doesn't make its Angel Run, it'll be at Boost Fest. We'll figure it out from there. Great time down here in Bradenton, Florida at the Freedom Factory this weekend. We did successfully make it to all 3 days, so that's a huge deal for us. That's a victory. There was some insane cars out here doing burnouts and drag racing, cruising around in the car show. We got to watch the Globe of Death. We got to watch a lot of stuff. It was awesome, man. So we appreciate you guys tuning in. We hope to see some of y'all at our other events that we have on the schedule this year. And make sure you find us on Facebook, TikTok, and hit that subscribe button here on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and until next time, we'll see y'all later.